What's up guys, it's Devin May back at you with another video. Today I am going to be doing sort of a Mother Nature makeup tutorial, and let's just get to it. I didn't think this through, so I have like a little bit of my base on. I don't know why my cheeks are kind of red. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go with like a green sort of thing. This is gonna be a long video. But yeah, I'm not gonna like say exact products, I'm just gonna say kind of like what I'm using. I am going to be taking a green eyeshadow. I'm gonna start with like a lightish green because that's pretty much what I have. Taking a contour brush? Yeah, that's not a contour brush. A contour brush, sort of just this. Dipping in the green, sort of just going for it. You kind of want to look like a weird fish or a mermaid or something. Now that you look like a leaf, I'm gonna go into a sort of darker shade of green and not really bring it out as much, but bring it more in like the middle, and yeah, you'll see. You don't always have to put your hair up. You can kind of just like take a clip like this and then like clip it back. It really does not have to be cute. And then you can still clip up your hair if you want. I just lose the clip. Oh no, it's up here. Okay, now that you look like a leaf, I'm gonna take a really pink blush, like a light pink, something like this. You can take like a brush like this, or I have one like this that's more round that I like to use. And you're just gonna put a lot. Like I said, I'm literally just taking it step by step. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just like, Mother Nature, okay. Fine. Okay, now that you still look like a leaf, but with rosy cheeks, I'm gonna do eyeshadow, and I'm, just taking one of these like sort of eyeshadow fluffy brushes. And I am going to take a very, very light pink, and you're just gonna put that in your crease or all over, it doesn't matter. Okay, then we're gonna go into a lighter pink. I'm using the same pink that I use my blush for. Go into that, and then like most definitely put that in my crease, not all over. So then there's that, and then I'm gonna go into a little bit of a darker pink, still light pink though. And then yet again put it in your crease, but try not to blend it out as much. I'm questioning myself. I look like a weird fish. I think we're gonna do a cut crease. Yeah. See, I can make decisions. So basically, first thing you really want to do, which, I mean, it doesn't matter what you do first, but pretty much just put it on your lid. And then you want to look straight up. And so basically just like, you know, sort of from where the top is, sort of go from the corner and like out. So then you're just gonna do it on the other eye. Yeah, I'm gonna go with a sort of reddish green shimmer shade, and I'm gonna put that on the concealer. So, like, find a brush like this, where it's like curved, and then you just mark it on there. My cat wants to say hi. This is my cat. Her name's Paris. I think she didn't want to say hi, apparently. Do you have to be doing that in the background of my video? I'm gonna do my waterline, but I'm like gonna do that off camera. Okay, waterline's done. So most of the time, whenever you're trying to do like a soft look, you would probably want to put like white there, but I don't have a really good like white, so I didn't do that. I just kind of went with my usual. Most of the time for like a light look, you don't really want to go for like the dark stuff. Mascara definitely like makes your eyes like, you know, brighter. Should I do my brows? I really want to do them, but like I don't want to do them because I don't want to mess them up. I'm gonna try to do them. I'm just gonna use a dark green to do it, but if I mess up, then I'll take it off. Also, while I do this, I just want to say to everyone who's watching right now, or to like anyone who's been watching my videos, like my family or my friends or anything, like, thank you. Honestly, I did not think that any of my friends or any of my family would even like be watching this. Like, that means a lot to me. If you're watching this right now, thank you. It means a lot, like, honestly. Like very different from each other. It's okay. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Mine look like distant cousins. Oh, I need to do lashes. like see the difference that it makes. So I got the lashes on, so I guess we're gonna go on the lips, and that might be the last thing, and then I'll do highlighter. Also, maybe I should do highlighter. So then I just usually take like this brush. Okay, so I'm like just taking a regular highlighter. I'm just gonna go with the gloss. Okay, I think I'm done here. This was my somewhat Mother Nature. Oh, I should probably put my hair down. Yep, this is my somewhat Mother Nature inspired look. It's not the best, but I hope you liked the tutorial. Please subscribe to me. It would mean the world to me if you did. Like the video, comment what you think I should do next. You know, give me some ideas because I'm running out. Follow my social medias. They should be like right here or something. Yeah, I guess that's it. So, see you guys next week. Bye.